I still reuse content from last year that I'll just
use
repost
content
it.
from 5 years ago.
It's like
I posted content the other day in a mask. Someone's like, "Why are you still wearing a mask?"
I was like,
"Picture's 2 years old."
oh, 2 years old. Yeah.
No, I don't care.
Yeah.
Nobody knows when it's from.
Right.
It doesn't matter. But being present each and every day is more important.
Yeah. Somebody told me the other day, it's like, damn, you have so much stuff on your phone, like you need to delete. It's like, well, I still go through old stuff and I'll repost this stuff. I mean, because it's like, people don't remember what I posted last year or 2 years ago. It's like, it's like, they're not going to know that I posted this already last year.
Gigabytes worth of external hard drives full of content.
Oh, yeah.
And my phone is empty.
Yeah.
I hate that stuff.
Yeah.
I'll take it from my hard drive to my phone and I'll post it.
Yeah.
So it's always.
Well, you have a lot more professional gear to this.
A lot of higher memory stuff.
Right. So with my phone stuff, I mean, I still have, I mean, I've got a 64 gig phone. So, I mean, for people out there that are thinking you cannot make content or it takes up too much room in your phone, I've got maybe 1,500 videos on my phone saved right now.
Do you really?
And thousands of pictures.
How good's that?
Huh?
How good's that?
Amazing.
And then you can use that.
So I still have content. I mean, once I've gone through all the raw footage that I've shot, then I'll delete it. Sometimes I'll go with the raw footage. I'll piece them togetger, edit them, and it's all done through my phone, guys. It's so simple. It's like you don't need. I mean, if you want to look professional, I guess you need it. But if you just want to put content out there so people can see it, you don't need a MacBook. You don't need a fancy laptop. You don't need a fancy software. You don't need to pay for any softwares.
It's really interesting because I do it the other way and you do it that way.
And
they both work.
Right.
But I still do a lot your way.
Yeah.
So I got the expensive camera. I've got the software. I've got the computer.
Right. And because, I mean, that's what you do.
That's what I do for a living.
Right.
And then you've got the other way where you got a phone.
And now you can see.
The exact same things.
Exactly. And so people can see he's a professional. I'm not. But we do the same thing.
And we're just as present as each other. We're just hustling.
Yes.
But I do so much with my phone.
Yeah.
So much.
Oh, yeah. I'm sure you do.
I love, and I just got the iPhone 13. That thing's amazing.
Oh, yeah. I have an Android. It's not as clear as the iPhone cameras or whatnot, but hopefully soon I'll be upgrading.
Pick it up and use it.
It's like, but
it
still,
doesn't matter the tool.
It's still.
Are you using the tool? Yes.
Yes. And I tell people. Again, I tell people all the time, especially when it comes to the food business. Like, if you're in the food business nowadays, you have to be on social media. You have to have the people like drool over your food over the phone.
It sells itself, right?
Yes.
Insurance doesn't.
It doesn't.
Cleaning doesn't. Cleaning doesn't. You got good food. You take a quick picture. It sells itself.
It's the easiest thing you can sell on social media. I mean, as long as it looks good.
Sauce. I love that. Pouring sauce on it.
It's the best thing. Or something as simple as grating your cheese. Hey guys, we don't buy store-bought shredded cheese. We grate our own cheese. Make a video of that. That's content.
That's content. I know it seems so simple, but it's so valuable.
It is. Like
I feel like people overthink it and don't take action.
Yeah.
And you and I realize that any action is better.
Yeah.
And I don't overthink. Half the time I don't even know what I'm posting.
Same here.
I was like, did I?
It's like, so now it's,
someone's like wearing my beard, my hair. Whatever. I'm just putting it out.
Yeah. I mean, there are some times that I'll go back and look at a Facebook Live and I'll be like, damn, I did not look good in that video, but hey, it's already up. It's already up. People have seen it. People are commenting on it. Let's stay there. It's okay. It's good. We'll be fine.